start. In that start mechanical design and assembly design. Now in assembly design, positioning with existing component with positioning and product. In that we have to select the previous products which we already completed in part design and click on open, and here it opens like that, and we have to rename all the components with their part names or by numbering, whichever you want. And after completing one, and select another one and rename it also, and click on OK. Then click on doesn't fix any component and click on OK. Now explode, use explode option and explode all the parts with different positions. Now select base part. Now select base part, and first of all we have to fix the base part. Now we have to fix the base part with fix component option. After fixing the base component, now select coincidence option and select base part middle line and that washer part middle line. And Control plus U to update the part to get the two components in same coincidence line, same axis of line, and then give an offset or surface contact. Here I used offset option, so that base part offset option to inner part of the main body part offset option. I give the offset of 0 mm, which means gives that surface contact only. And click on Control plus U to update. And now we have to constrain third part. So now we have to constrain two degree of freedom. Now we have to constrain third degree of freedom by clicking angle with two planes with 0 degrees angle, so that the part is immersed into the main body part with no degree of freedom. Now go to coincidence constraint and select axis of center line with main part and another part. Now Control plus U to update. Now select surface contact, or I will go for offset option. Offset with downward bottom to here, down upward of main part with offset of 20 mm or 15 mm or 25 mm. It's gonna be your wish. Then click on Control plus U to update that. Now take angle constraint to constrain the third degree of freedom. So give the angle between two parallel axis with 0 degrees, and it constrains successfully with no degree of freedom. Now go to coincidence constraint option and constrain the stud with holes of the parts, and Control plus U to update it. Now see, the stud is opposite to the stuffing box, and so here we use Control plus Z to undo it, and we have to move it to opposite direction. So take move option and move the stud into opposite direction with respect to x axis. So by rotating in x direction, it allows to move. Now click on OK. Now take coincidence constraint and constrain it with holes to stud, and now click on Control plus U to update it. Now take surface contact or offset. I take here offset and select the surface offset and select the surface, and another surface is bottom of the body part ellipse, and now click on enter and click on enter. Select the small part there and give the offset length of 0 mm, or we can make surface contact also. And Control plus U to update. And after that now present we have constrained 2 degree of freedom. Now we have to constrain 3rd degree of freedom by angle constraining. After completion of angle constraining of stud, now click on coincidence constraining and constrain with stud mid axis and with nut axis. Now Control plus U to update, and after that offset with surface of the top face and bottom surface of the nut. Here offset distance of 0 mm. And Control plus U to update it. Now constrain it with angular position. Here we taken the nut from catalog, so that in that catalog the nut does not have any axis, so that we can constrain in two positions only. Now we have to mirror the stud and nut to opposite position. Now first selecting the stud, which we have to mirror, we have to select first by selecting the stud, and now take a mirror option, and now select the axis which we want to mirror the object, so that the object is mirrored, and close the definition pad. And now we have to select the nut and go to mirror option. First I have to select the nut and go to mirror option, and we have to select the axis and finish. Now close the box, and now the stuffing box is clear and ready. The assembly of stuffing box is completed. Thank you.